Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Square Cash. If you run a small business or want an easy way to accept digital payments, Square Cash can help you process payments quickly and manage transactions from one platform. Square provides tools that allow businesses to accept payments, track sales, and manage customers all in one place. To begin, open your browser and go to the official website of Block Incorporated and access the Square sign-up page. After creating your account, Square will ask a few questions about your business. These questions help the system tailor the platform features to your specific needs. Next, the system will ask what you sell at your business. This information helps Square recommend tools and payment options that match your type of business. Square may also ask you to estimate your total annual revenue. This information helps the system understand the size of your business and how frequently you expect to process payments. Next, Square will ask about the mode you plan to use. Choose the method that best fits how you want to run your account. If you are using the Square app on a phone or tablet, the platform may request permission to access certain device features. This may include location access for transaction security and notification permissions for payment alerts. After completing the onboarding process, you can begin setting up how you accept payments. Once your account is ready, you can begin using Square to accept payments. For example, let's charge $20. You have an option to take it in cash, which is mostly recorded for reporting purposes only. You can also use a manual card entry by entering detailed information about your business. Or you can also send a payment link for them to pay using different cards. After processing payments, you can monitor your business activity from the Square dashboard. Inside the dashboard, you can view transaction history, track daily sales, manage customer data, and generate reports. By setting up your business information, choosing how you want to accept payments, and configuring your payment methods, you can start processing transactions quickly and efficiently. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.